Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. If you want to keep on getting these video alerts, make sure you click on subscribe and click on the bell icon to be reminded. Okay, you can see the price of Ethereum is $4,501. Okay, and I'm still staking my Ethereum with Lido Finance. I'm getting 4.9% APR and I have 6.1167 STETH here. This goes up every single day. Okay, so if I click on history, you can see that I have $27,311 here. I have made $226.49, which is 0.06441968 STETH, which is equivalent to Ethereum, and I've been earning an average of 4.8% APR. So if I scroll down, you can see this is what I'm making every day. So $3, $3, $3, $3, $3, $3, $3, $3. It all adds to my Ethereum. Okay, so it compounds and adds every single day. If I go to the next page, you can see here on this page it was $3, $2 something, $2, $3, $3 something. So if I go before that, you can see it's around that same, around $2 to $3 all the way back. If I go all the way back, you see it's about $2.84. Here was about $2, but recently, so here, so this is, I think this is the furthest back. No, that's not the furthest back. This is the furthest back. So you can see here, this is all $2, see? But if we go to where I am now, which is at 1, it's gone up. So the amount I'm making every day keeps on going up because the price of Ethereum goes up. Okay? As the price of Ethereum goes up, my earnings go up. So I believe Ethereum is going to go to 10K, then 20K, then 30K. Okay? I do believe that. That's just my belief, and I mean, I'm not saying everybody should believe what I believe, but I really do believe in Ethereum, and I think it's going to hit something like around 30 to 40K. If Bitcoin keeps on going up, I think Ethereum is going to do a crazy run. Honestly, I think Ethereum is going to do a crazy run. I really do believe that. And if Ethereum 10x's, okay, say Ethereum goes to 40,000, I'm going to have $270,000. The equivalent to 270 is going to be about 60 ETH. Equivalent to 60 ETH is going to be inside here, earning me staking rewards. And that's going to make me around, let's go to the calculator. If I go to the calculator, it's going to make me, if I add a 0 to here, 10x, it's going to make me over $1,102, $120 a month, whatever that is in Ethereum. If we stay at 4.9% APR, okay, that is great because I'm going to be making more Ethereum on my Ethereum, and that's what I want. I want my staking rewards to consistently compound Ethereum, and I want that long term. I'm not here short term, I'm here long term. And the only thing that I will spend out of this staking reward is, the only thing I'll spend out of what I'm making is a staking reward. Okay, my principal will not be touched. Okay, so what is in my STETH balance here? As it goes up every day, only the STETH that I earned, okay, will I take out maybe a portion of it and spend it on whatever I need to. But that's the reason why we're building this. I'm building this STETH balance here. Okay, now most people who are staking their Ethereum cannot get it out, obviously because it's on the Beacon chain. And until Ethereum 2.0 launches, you can't get it out. But with Lido, we're able to have this STETH token, which we can also swap for anything we want. Okay, if I show you, if I go to Paraswap, I think Paraswap you can do it actually. You can swap your STETH. So I've got some ETH there. I can actually swap STETH. I think I can actually. Let me see if I put ST. I think it's here. I think I can if I'm actually connected to my wallet. At the moment, I'm not actually connected to my wallet, but you can swap your ETH, your STETH, for Ethereum or other coins that are provided here. The same on this one, I believe you can do the same on Zerion. So you can see, let me see if I can show you. It's loading up, but I don't know if you can actually swap on this one. You might not be able to. I think you can actually. It's taking ages to load up, but because it's not set up, it's not low. It's not actually. Let me see. Let's have a look here. Oh, that's nice. But yeah, you can swap it on. You can swap it on here. You can actually swap it on another thing called Zapper, but I don't think it's actually here. Zapper is the one that I've used. Zapper.fi. So you can actually swap it on here as well. And if your wallet is connected, your Ledger wallet is connected, you can actually swap it with Zapper. But because my wallet is not connected, that's probably the reason why it's not showing you the STETH and all of that stuff. It will show you this on Lido because it's actually on the Lido platform. Okay, it's actually on the Lido platform, and Ledger's got a communication with them, so it showcases on my portfolio. It's like they've connected it, so it can actually see it here. You see, I can see my STETH balance here on my Ledger, even if I'm not actually open and connected to my Ledger at the moment. So yeah, this is just showing me. If I click on here, you see that this is showing you. When you see here, this is actually showing you the STETH, the amount of Ethereum that is being sent in. You can't actually see it, but this is the amount of STETH that's available on this smart contract, and that equivalent of Ethereum is being staked on Ethereum 2.0. Okay, so powerful stuff. It really depends on individual. Some people may not want to stake using Lido, but I do like Lido because I think Lido is great. They stake amongst many different validators. They don't just use one, so it's more safe for me. Believe in it more. Okay, and there's a lot of stuff going on, so you can just click on any one of these and read it. This one here, the Lido protocol update. So you can read these if you want to know what these are. There's always something going on. Deposit front running protection. What's next? So they're always upgrading, updating, keeping it safe, all sorts of stuff. I've been following these people for a while. I only made the decision to put my Ethereum in here after about maybe 5 or 6 months. So I was very close to perfect when I checked did all my due diligence, and it came out really, really well, and everything is perfect. So that's why I put some of my Ethereum in here to stake. So if you're somebody that wants to do that, if you go to my let me show you. If you go to wbelite.com, no, I have to make sure it's not HTTPS because my one just defaults to that. HTTP and then // wb-elite. Scroll down, click on this one here, Ethereum 2.0 liquid staking. This video shows you how I do it, how I stake my Ethereum, exactly what I'm doing, shows you that, and you can actually buy your Ledger. You can download Ledger Live here. You can stake directly without a Ledger here. You know, this will take you directly to the official Lido Finance website, Twitter, so that you don't go to the fake ones which people have been going on. So be careful. And also, these are some videos that are quite good to watch to learn about what's going on with Lido. Anyways, I hope this has been informative and I haven't rambled, and I hope you've actually got something from this. The main thing is that you see that I am still doing this. I've still got staking going on Lido, and I'm loving it, and all of the results are just doing exactly what I think they're gonna do, which is going up. And that's what we want to see when we stake our crypto. We want to see the price go up, we want to see our staking rewards go up, and we want to continually see it go up until we make enough to live on alone with this. This is just one of our passive income streams. There's a few. If you're interested in knowing how I earn Bitcoin, then you can check out the link in the description as well, how I run that business and earn Bitcoin instantly as well as my 7-figure Rolodex, which has everything I do on there as well. So yeah, everything is there. Everything you want to know is there, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.